table, but who cares? No one, clearly. But today, can you guess what we're making? We're going to be making this really cool thing that, like, bottle that, like, loses your stress away. So, let's get started. Begin by pouring in some glue. Okay, I'm trying. Try not to get this everywhere. It's okay. It's okay. Next, you're going to add in, like, your favorite color of glitter. So, just going to try to open this. Okay, I don't have any sand today, so don't judge me, because I can't find it. You can add in different colors. You could try to not spill glitter on yourself, like I am trying very hardly to do. So once that is in there, it should look like this or something like it. And then you're going to go to your sink, place it down there for a second, turn on the lights. Hot water is the best. Hot, hot, hot. Come on, get hot. Okay, it's getting hot. Okay, and I really don't want glitter down my sink, or my mom's sink. So we're just going to turn off the light and then bring the bottle back. With glue on yourself. And where do I put the glue? Oh my goodness. It's on me. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, here we go. It's okay. Little beads like that, but I don't want to mess with that. You can add an Orbeez, whatever, I don't care. It's all good. And the next step is that you add on the cap. You can decorate this all you want. Don't be afraid to decorate. What? Don't be afraid to decorate. Okay, you guys can see that I'm kind of having struggles. Okay, you know that glue problem we had with the glue on the side? Sort of fixed that. Okay, but now shake it up to try to get the glue. And I'm going to say one thing that's not supposed to happen. But the other thing is that the more glue you add in, the more you'll have to mix and shake it up. And also, the more that the glitter will go slower. My glitter's going pretty fast. You can add food dye, but do you like it? Leave it in the comments down below. Bye!